Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some lemon honey salmon fillet. Okay, so in my glass container here I've got some salmon. I got 5 salmon. As you can see, it's already washed and clean. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of salt and garlic powder, and ½ teaspoon of jerk seasoning, and ½ teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Okay, but if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home. Yes. So firstly, I'm just gonna take my olive oil and just add to my salmon fillet. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together like so, and I'm just gonna season my salmon fillet. Okay, you want to make sure that all the seasoning is all on your salmon fillet. You can just pat it with your hand like so. Then I'm just gonna turn it over and I'm gonna season the other side also. Okay, turn it back over. I'm telling you, this recipe, guys, you're gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be super delicious, trust me. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 15 minutes. Okay, so that's nicely seasoned. That's done. So in my bowl right here, guys, I've got at least 1/4 cup of honey. And I also have 1 spoon of dark soya sauce and half of lemon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my dark soya sauce to my honey like so. And I'm also gonna add my lemon. Just make sure there's no seed in it, okay? And you just want to squeeze it in your honey. Because the lemon, guys, is gonna give the honey such a nice flavor. Yes. So that's done. Then I'm just gonna take my spoon and you just want to mix it all in like so. I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left. So you say, look guys, look amazing already. So that's done. Lovely. Then I'm also gonna add half of onion and 1 cloves of garlic. Okay, finely chopped garlic. Yes. So here I have my pot and my stove, guys, and my stove is on a low to medium heat, okay? So now I'm just gonna add at least 1 spoon of olive oil, okay? And you're just gonna wait for your olive oil just to heat up, okay? Yeah. So now that my oil is all heated up, now I'm gonna add my garlic and my onion, and I'm just gonna allow it, guys, just to saute for at least 30 to 40 seconds, okay? No longer than that. So now that it is all sauté, now guys, I'm gonna add my honey and lemon sauce, okay? That look amazing. Just give it a stir. And now I'm gonna add my salmon. Like so. I just add a bit of parsley on top. These are just parsley, guys. This is totally optional, okay? I'm gonna also add some butter. Then guys, I'm just gonna pour all that delicious sauce all over on my salmon like so. I'm telling you guys, it looks super delicious and it's not even finished. Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. It look amazing. This recipe right here is a must try. Your family, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. It is so good. So now I'm just adding my lemon pieces, guys, and you just want to cut them in two, okay? And I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least six minutes or so, okay? And I'm not gonna cover my pot. I'm just gonna leave it uncovered. So guys, just after 4 minutes, this is what my salmon looks like. It look amazing. What I did, I put the lemon on top of my salmon, okay? So I'm just gonna leave it back for another 4 minutes or so and it is ready, okay? It look amazing, guys, I'm telling you. I mean, just look at the sauce. Super delicious. This is like food prawn right here. So guys, my honey lemon salmon is all finished and I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. What I did, I just turned the stove just low, very low, okay? So guys, please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget, if you do try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? It looking super delicious. So I'm just adding some more of my lemon pieces, just some fresh one, just for it to pop and look, you know, present nicely, even though it's already look nice. But I just want to add, you know, a bit more, because obviously it is lemon honey salmon, so I have to add more lemon. And I'm also gonna add just some parsley, okay? And my stove is all turned off. So there you have it, guys. Honey, lemon, salmon. I hope you guys do enjoy this recipe. So I'm just cutting into my salmon for you guys, and I'm gonna taste it and tell you what it's like. As you can see, it is nicely cut. I'm telling you guys, it's cooked to perfection. The flavor is everything. You could taste the lemon, the honey. Honestly guys, it is so good. If you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like. Don't forget guys to share this video. Give me a big thumbs up. So now I'm just gonna plate it all up and show you guys how it look delicious, so yummy on the plate. Guys, you can serve it with some rice, with some salad, with some mashed potato, you know, whatever you prefer. You can have it on its own. I serve mine with some yellow rice and it goes perfectly with it. Yes. So now I'm just gonna pour all that honey lemon sauce all over on my salmon, and I'm telling you guys, as I said, super delicious. So good. I'm telling you. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.